Hello everybody. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to create heat map. Heat maps are visuals in Excel which are used to visualize trends or relationship using color scale of conditional formatting. Indeed, this session is going to be the extension of the previous sessions. And we have a data set here. It contains the different cities and their temperature in different months. Okay, average temperature in Fahrenheit in different months. And we have certain question like which city among these is the hottest and when this city is hottest. Similarly, we can also have another two more questions like which city is the coolest cities and in which months these cities are coolest. Okay. So to answer these questions, what we can do, uh, we have to select this data. These are the temperatures. Okay, what we want, these are the values or the temperatures in Fahrenheit, and we want to highlight that suppose the higher the value, like this is 104, 106, 104, this is also 100. Higher value means these are the hottest city. Okay, hottest temperatures. Lower means these are the coolest. Okay, so accordingly we can uh, develop a heat map to appear these in colors. Okay, so we can select this data, then we have the condition formatting. You see under condition formatting, you see there is a color scale here. We have also seen in the previous lesson this color scale is this color scale apply a color gradient to a range of cells. The color indicates where each values falls within that range. Okay, let us see one by one. So this is the one, you see. So this tells about red color 23, 27. These are the lower color. It represents the the lowest Fahrenheits in temperatures. And whereas it has like green color, that is for highest temperatures, that means it has to be hottest. This doesn't sound good. Let us select another. This is red, yellow, green. This is also not looking good. Once again we can see here also, we can see. So you see this one. Okay, so normally when we talk about hottest temperature, it is associated with a red color. When it is the coolest, it is associated with blue colors, and in between this is white. Okay, so this is a perfect like color scale we have used. But what we want, we want these values should be disappear. We want only the colors. Okay, we have got the answers. You can see these are, if you see, these are the hottest temperatures. Which city? This is the Phoenix city. Okay, this is these are the hottest temperature, and in which months? June, July, August, September. This city is the hottest. Similarly, if you see the coolest, if you see, this is the lowest temperature 23 and 27. This is Anchorage in the month of January and February, and this is in the month of November and December. We are getting this. Okay, we have the questions, that means hottest temperature where and in which month, and coolest temperature, if you see lowest temperature in which months for the city. This is Anchorage, January, February, and November and December. Okay, we have got what we want. We want this value to be disappeared because we are using a color scale here. We want to identify the lowest and the highest temperature based on the colors, not on the values. What we can do, we can select this. Okay, we have selected this, then we have general here. We can see the more number formats, or we can also, we have here numbers, we can see here. Okay, under format cells, this is how we have done it. We have clicked here numbers, here we have clicked and we got this box. Under format cells we are getting one option that is called custom. Okay, in custom by default it is highlighted into general. So therefore this values are appearing. What we want? We want this has to be, that means this number or these values has to be disappeared. So what we can do, let us remember, we can use 3 semicolon. Okay, 3 semicolon we can use for this. Okay, then we can hit OK or enter. You can see, we are getting, that means, that doesn't means here these values disappear doesn't means this has already gone. Okay, these are deleted, it is not the case. So the value is here already, you can see it is appearing here 23. So here you can see it is 104, it is appearing. Okay, we can see this, like if we are double clicking here, it is, the value is also appearing here. Okay, what we have done, we have hidden these values. Okay, so now it is a perfect heat map. You can see this is the coolest temperature. Okay, and this is also coolest. If you see, we have these months, these 4 months we are getting Phoenix cities here, and the temperature is the highest. Okay, basically we can use this heat map for this purpose. Okay, that's for the lessons. See you in the next one.